How to change email on Instagram. Begin by launching Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on your profile picture from the bottom right corner. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines from the top right corner. Now tap on Account Center. From Account Settings, select Personal Details.
Here you can see the contact info option. Tap on it.
After that, tap on Add New Contact button. Select Add Email option. Now enter the new email that you want to add. Your current email will now be replaced by the new email. So if you are sure you want to replace it, tap on the Next button. Enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Finally, tap on the Next button. And that's how you can change email on Instagram.